years. Kino!
Hey! No shake, no shaking.
Kino! 4 years, Kino.
4 years.
4 years been waiting to meet you.
Set up some donation for you. So I make that fish count it for you. It's because they can't hold for count it and tell the person thanks, right?
We can't hold on to count it.
Alright, so first we have 16,005 here for you from Ava from the USA. So not to just count that. 16,005 from Ava. You mean?
I keep it real, you know.
Real?
Yeah.
All the way from New Zealand?
Oh my.
Oh my. Oh my.
Watch the story.
Yeah.
Watch for 4
like
years
the color.
now.
I like Jamaica color.
Thank you. He's my favourite story. I mean, a lot of good stories. You know, starting from Jin Jin.
Yeah, yeah.
And then Natasha in the public toilets. You know that was unreal.
Yeah, yeah.
But seeing Scanner lying on the bed when you first went to meet him, I didn't think he'd make it. He looked so sick, you know, very, very sick.
Wouldn't have any gloves. You don't want any gloves? No gloves? No gloves.
Yeah, I'm going to say, did have the paint that I mentioned in both can make.
The color.
Tomorrow. Alright, come back.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
blessed love to all. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you do, because I am always having a wonderful day, because I prayed for a wonderful day and I pray for health and strength. You know, when you see a wonderful day like today here in Jamaica, it was raining, so the rain kind of eased up. You know, the rain is kind of up now, so you know the blessings are always pouring down, so we have to give thanks also for the shower of blessing from the Creator himself. So yes guys, you know, today see we're back on the journey, you know, blessed, we're back on the journey same way. So today we want to try and complete our scan and now the Rasta man, you know, do as much we can do so we can send him inside his place and we can have a well America. It's about time now, so I think it's time now for us to complete the project, the scanner. So today we're going to get some more paint, you know, because the paint that we have it kind of run out, so we have to get some more paint now and finish it off. And you know, we need to get him a bed as well also, and get him some linoleum, you know, linoleum, right? Linoleum, so which is which, you know, so to spread on the floor. So we're going to get that sorted out and everything so we can give him a new makeover. I want to thank all our extended family, you know, that reach out and help out Scanner on this journey. We thank goodness so much, you know, it means the world. We thank him so much. So we here at HKM we're going to get another 2 gallon of paint. What? Did I get the husband yet? Did I get the husband yet?
No, I'm still out here. But yes, you have to put me up.
Yes, I'm going to put you up. The bad not call you.
No.
Hello. I should have not see a good, that's why.
Well, for men,
You know, you have to see a good now.
well, for men, can you tell me if you're idiot?
No man, seriously. Joe, I try to find her one overseas husband. I tell them they enough, but the last time they never see you properly because
They never see me.
no, because they hide behind the glass. So now I can't make them see you properly.
You want one look a white husband.
White one?
Yeah, one look a white husband.
Hey, why they want a mixed race baby? You want brown baby? Hello? How many know she from? Oh. So what color man you want to? White, black, shiny, which one? What kind of man you want to?
Mine?
You married?
I'm on myself.
Oh, you're a you man. I don't blame you.
How are you, man?
You're a you man. Let me get 2 gallon of Gardena, please.
Flat or low sheen?
Low sheen.
Low sheen Gardena.
With 70% discount, please. Yeah? Can I get a 70% discount? Wow. Hard working wife, the man get, you know, she can wash, cook and clean.
Yeah.
She can wash, cook and clean.
True.
She can steam fish.
Can do everything. Everything. Gardena.
How much? Discount? Is that after discount? So only like no discount go on that one. No, what's going on? Yeah. So we can get a free tin of paint. Eh? Yeah. Okay, Amira. Come cash. Alright, then your turn. Take care. Let me see. Alright, so. Mighty Joe. Yeah, Mighty Joe in the building. Yeah? Oh. Put that. What you say? Yes guys, so we'll get the paint now, so we're gonna head down to Budget to get the linoleum or we can put on the floor. Yeah, so we get the paint now, so we're gonna head down to Budget. All is well. Drive man. I just something I pick up. Tell linoleum man, I drive.
Pay feet already.
No. Alright, I look point going so. Eh? What family? What work can I do? Kate! I work for work now, man, cat. Work to
Where boss?
I work for project where I was doing. Now come measure. this. I look fun too. Six yard can cover in the door.
Yeah. More than.
6 yard too much?
No, more than can cover it.
So 6 yard that too much then?
6 yards.
So guys, so we're gonna get 6 yard of the linoleum. With that one? Yeah, right. Oh, 6 yard. Linoleum. Eh? Come here, come show me what. That's where you said thick. Oh. Thick one. Alright. Let's kind of out of young again, Joe.
Oh, see money, I'm ready.
Can I catch this? Here. Well, look how much is it?
Lady, no.
Hello.
No.
Blessed. I watch you on this until I'm tired.
Thank you so
You know,
much.
blessed. Good to see you. Instantly the real flesh.
What about the time?
When there?
Yeah, I'm right.
You write up already. Get a lady that is not a green. She cut off piece of that.
Wood.
Wood. She name Wood?
No, wood.
Wood. Wood.
Miss Wood. Just miss Wood. I'm just come.
Eh?
You don't like me.
Wood.
Yeah. Nah, be fast. Yeah, man. See, can you find it? Yeah, go on up there. Go on up
Hey,
there.
yeah, let me have things, you know. Wood. Can I just cut out this one, please? Let on here. Yeah. I just 6 yard, yeah? Yeah. What do you think? You like it?
I don't know what you want.
I eat me and go for. Yeah, eat one. Donuts. Buy one, get one free. Taste and buy. If I come up here, eat, you are eating, you know. You know, if I come every time I see a motor move.
Man, you know what, me move. Every month never move me stay there, yeah.
No, you're supposed to help work a long time.
Give me there, I work, man.
Come see her eat, the lady get a donut, you go and take it out.
Oh man, you must get things now.
The one we eat before, where you get it from?
No, just make one.
Yeah man, come here, motor move already.
Bring.
When come here, your mouth was moving.
Name me now.
Odd, Miss Odd. You see, you keep on saying you're coming, and she's not coming, you see? Her name is Miss Odd. I've been calling her, so she's keep on coming, she's coming. And I know she cannot come.
Look at the paper already.
Some thing I deal with them.
No problem.
Miss Odd, you know how long I've been calling you?
Not true.
I mean not true.
I never know, may I ask? I never heard your
How many times I call Miss Odd? How many know your name? How do I know your name?
I'm a little sugar bun.
I'm a sugar plum too.
Yeah, I said donut.
No, I don't eat
No,
those
she don't
things.
eat those things.
Are you sugar plum?
Yeah.
So when I Jew plum, when I sugar plum,
And when I candy.
when I candy.
You're too bad. Oh, yeah, there's something there. You're not supposed to be sometimes.
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 Some of the time.
Yeah, man. You have to, yeah, man, it's true.
Yeah, but Miss
I
Odd,
get drunk sometimes.
your animal do be a nice puppy, you know.
Really?
I like, yes,
Yeah.
I like the
Talk me
chemistry.
up down and let them see the pros of our move.
Yes. Hey.
Alright, what's going on in your young life now?
See, too late. This is what I'm trying to talk about. Thank you so much. Yeah.
She's a
She's so kind. She even give away her donuts.
Kind of, oh, you share your donuts with them?
Of course.
And then give you back your money for you.
See there?
But them pay, you should sell them for one. They want for one donut.
Thanks. Alright then, yeah.
Give me the one, what is what tell me?
I chew too much of them come for it, that's why. Jerk, I don't just alone with the come for man. Yeah man, we have more work to do man. The project we do now, we do the program. That's on YouTube, we do charity, we be also people. So,
we can see at any time.
yes sir, anytime. You're gonna always see me.
Alright.
You know, you're gonna always see me. Just say it's my spot.
With the white one and the yellow one.
Yeah.
The yellow one, the white one. Stamp.
You stamp me? No,
White one.
you're not stamping me.
Alright then, we have my receipt.
But if you don't stamp me, I can come, I can sign if I get the
No,
goods.
me sign it out on this. Me buy one stamp out here then, you know.
Oh, alright, yeah? Hello? See there, so this is the beginning, right?
Yeah, man.
This is the beginning. You're still a brother, so we say the favor.
We are out there, right, Wilson. And them man, they are superstar when we are youth. You know. They're right, Wilson.
Delroy Wilson.
They're right, Wilson. And them man, they are a superstar when we are youth. But that's why you know, no Bob Marley or nothing yet.
Okay.
You know, no Alton or them thing there.
Yes,
When
yes.
them go school, them sing for cocks. And all of them is where you hear about Delroy.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
him.
Like
I'm
him.
alone paper and radio when we are youth.
Yeah?
As an artist, boy.
Yeah.
Him our first superstar.
Because we know you was a
No,
big artist
our
in your
thing are
days.
different. Our thing,
After.
even when we had I go school, the whole of we go school. You understand?
So you just, when Bob Marley run, you just see him as well too and everything?
Me almost hear all the thing.
You look young man.
Me are 60 years.
That not young man.
Oh, then that I'm there on there.
There,
How you think?
I know one day we have somebody.
Them first hit music at 64, you know.
64.
When them make it simmer down, you know.
Oh,
Time me a
okay.
8-year-old.
Yeah, 8-year-old them
I
time.
was 8, 9, I got center.
So them time you was a youth.
Yeah, man. I'm
Youth.
there on the thing, you know. There on the thing, whole from ever.
So, okay, so you always been around.
Just come. You know about the whole family, everybody, Bunny Way, everybody. Delroy, Alton, everybody.
So that's
And a
inspired you
carbon
for the
copy.
music. them inspire you to do
music
music.
and we Trenchtown and music, you know. I'm tell you thing, in a Trenchtown, there are two things we know about it. I treat you with it, sport, music and bad things.
Yes,
them go
yes,
away, boy.
yes, true.
Check all the years where we have go. Them say Trenchtown a bad place, a bad man where music always there.
Music,
like all
football,
the
and
Dinah
cricket.
Edwards and them man there, Ernie Wrangling. And where see them come from, you know.
Okay.
All of them people, the folks, brother, all of them, just name it. Altans, Artens, everybody, Joe Higgs, everybody.
Yes,
And
yes.
yes, sir.
Yes. Because I want to know the
Part away, a part of church, a part and music, a part of church. Music and sport.
for sure. Without that doubt, because when I hear about Trenchtown, the first thing I'm gonna hear is music.
Music. And the sport at first,
Cricket.
Carl Smith driver, Carl Smith.
The
play
cricket.
for cricket.
Yes.
Where the cricket boys on cricket team.
Yes,
Where father Sherlock cricket. Yes, that was, but music was the forefront.
Come here, so we have one of the greatest doctors as well. We have doctor who come
Yeah,
from
man, we
the
have
best
big
doctor.
doctors. We come from Boya, man. We have a big doctor, but at the top, them, Jeffrey Taft, Lily Bank, Columbus, them and they are big doctor. One of the best architect, over here, so Comrie, Laxley Comrie.
Yeah, we have Laxley.
When I think them said are the third big best artist in the architect in the Caribbean.
Yes.
Laxley Comrie, so.
And we have one of the biggest artists as well
man,
too.
coming up, I'm big,
Right now. So you didn't see anybody in your time growing up better than him? He's the only one you see.
No, so better than him. Remember you say Capo, never hear about Capo.
No.
Capo the revivalist.
No.
Cause sculpture. The man the art and sculpture. So in them days, Capo was the man like who come in the church.
Oh.
Just research Capo. Capo a Trenchtown, see. Them man did have them like with that brother Joe. But them man was artists and sculpture.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So them man, they, everybody have them work to do, everybody have them difference. Coming down at least. Like the ghost there not carry on. You understand?
Because we see some development are going as well. We see a gas station and the community. Yes. So you say the future for Trenchtown looking well bright.
Right, but you have some little head. Good.
Yes.
And them the head have got shape up.
Yes. So we have to find a way of deal with it so you can just come into one.
We can't show them way. Can't show them way.
No.
I want to when we gone.
Exactly. So them have to
we have to set it, but them have to set too. Them need have to set too.
The gas station will not go below out there. Is that the first gas station?
No man, that's the second man. We have a gas station there from 1938.
Okay.
Some people from then they do one. And it goes over the years. Across was the last one. Well, lease it at lease. Never own it.
Okay.
Because over the year them lease to different. Yeah, but you got to take.
So this one is going to be owned by Trenchtown itself.
Trenchtown people are own that
Trenchtown
one.
people.
Yes.
Wow. A greatness that guys are here. That's a Trenchtown have them one gas station. Music, you know, how we dealing with it. You see, it's not only business alone.
Oh man, we have put all
bank as well too.
Man and shops and them things that were there.
What kind of bank? Which bank?
JMMB.
Okay.
And then they still have like Jamaica
Western
National.
Union and
yes,
okay.
There's a two-story shops that got them on top of them.
Okay, so Trenchtown looking well bright for the future.
Right, and we're bridging have him car place there. Right at the corner, that's
Ted.
And then over the next side, no national by that, so you know, it's a development.
Here comes the development as
well. And then down further away, you see them at the Hazard.
Come see development as well.
Fiberglass, them still land to the
Fiberglass. We work hard inside Hazard then. Fiberglass at the front part there. But Hazard at the side, don't go right round. Hazard, you know, bar shop there.
Yes.
So Hazard near at least.
Like that man, for the future looking bright for Trenchtown.
The place have to move, you know, as me I say, you know.
Yes.
I'm not cure, because sometimes you start that thing and you make one step forward and then you have to come back.
I know.
You understand?
Yes.
And we're tired of that.
Just moving forward
We know more
and continue going forward. Yes, yeah, because the viewers them like to see Trenchtown, you know, the more tourists keep on flocking in the place. You know, everyone keep on talking about the Bob Marley movie as well.
I say it's like Hollywood.
It
full
is.
of stars.
It is.
That's about the way that describe Trenchtown.
Yeah, but it is.
Over the years where we know, come see as you. How many artists?
Of
Just
course.
name them.
Yeah.
And yes, so what's the thing? Man come back and go where? They put my Trenchtown, just going on music.
Trenchtown. It's not like.
When we are grow up and the people them in the yard, all this the yard them set up like a communal, communal settings in the yard them, you know. So you will have a wash day, 6 different people are wash.
Yes,
and people are sing and people are doing the washing and them are doing it. That's how the yard is there, full of joy.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So the joy is still here in Trenchtown, see, I mean. I just for those, you them for those hold it down.
Use them, for just know say, I decide, I feed them more.
So you feel like so them need something to do where you can put a structure where you can.
It have to happen.
You have to have an infrastructure where them can get involved with,
It
right?
have to happen. You have to involve them right through. You understand?
Keep
them
them
meetings,
busy.
but sometimes them ways take a look how we are the boys town. The art training.
Yeah.
And mostly outside I come and use it all.
Sure, the art center, the learning center.
And mostly use it outside I use it. So
and then in here, it's here for them to can learn and train. Yes.
I just right there. And them now make use of it. Outside people are come make use of it. You understand?
True.
So the mind need to recondition.
Yes.
You understand me I say? Yeah, man.
Because when I start
We not give up on them, you know. Oh.
We can't, we have to go do no ask them what them they want to do.
I know some of them they want, most of them don't want them split. And them grabber.
They must have something with them they want to do and can keep them occupied.
Some of them have people are firing them, just get them trained. I'm not
relax.
And the hype, you know.
Yeah.
You know, them call them nowadays, them who are the chopper and who are the scammer. I just them
easy
life.
Come easy there.
I don't know come easy.
No. Well, we know that. You know? We know that. Because we know so we have to work hard for anything we want to achieve. Nothing never come easy at all.
Everything we achieve in life, we work hard for it all the years.
Yes.
How we're growing up. You understand? Not coming to your parents work hard the same way. And to make you come and then you have to do hard for them too.
Yeah, man, of course.
You don't know them sit down here now and sit back and like them feel like it easy. So I'm telling you, them out there. Them have too much people are firing them.
Too much freedom.
Too much freedom.
Go to Western Union and collect this.
Yeah, go
collect this.
That's all.
Yes, man. Mikey. Big up, man. We like the future for Trenchtown looking bright.
Man, it's bright, man. It's bright. It's always bright, you know. I don't think you them, we understand, man. Sometimes them make it look dull, but it's not dull.
It's not dull. It's bright.
Understand?
We
Bobby don't tell we them thing already.
Of course.
Bob tell me say in 1973, young the man work at Extreme. Mikey, people are going to come talk, ask about me, and I don't have to know to tell them. And I'm going to pay on him. Them want to pay on him.
Yeah,
with that. So from them time, we know say, and then to win the music to and visitor coming over the years.
Yes.
And when we start this now, tourist board now, we know them things.
I just thought we have a guest that come as well to come to Trenchtown for the first time.
Tourists never want build nothing here so like that, because them always tell people don't come to Trenchtown.
Yes.
But we say we have no business with them. We give our people, you know what, tourists come live in there some months.
Right, of course.
And we must start bringing Japanese come live at Jamaica. Just give them Trenchtown house.
And say go on,
and just go and live and them there amongst we all for months. And now them still are come.
True.
So when we start this tourist board, them have to just jump on it and they push a thing to test it. Why they ask gone through the gate, you know.
Yeah, just let it go and ride.
Them time that she was tourism minister. She said why they ask gone through the gate already, we can't stop that again. So them have to support it.
Sure.
I just need to continue and nurture it and make it build it. Yes. Like I'm big and what?
Yes! Alright then. Yes, Mikey, so we're going to roll, you know. Lady,
Yeah, my brother.
remember saying that we're coming here looking for your work, you know. You understand? Because we
We have
always
a
like work.
cultural yard over something, you know.
Yeah man, you set up a culture.
Yeah, man, tell me I come to here look here.
Mikey Mikey one of the foundation of over this CPS. So I deal it. We just there go and do the great work. It's when I deal it. Guys. Without me, you don't know the community still. Them do have a good artist. And me are the man to stand up firm right now. I go and take my time and go and do the great thing. So I deal it.
Yes.
Because more time I run, I got find a little time. You know, man,
Come
the
in,
ball,
come.
I say, boy.
Yes.
That's them, but I nah dash from my community. You mad? I hear some of them, man. I nah left us to run, go nowhere.
No, that's
Trenchtown, I say.
So why you think, same thing with me? We leave, we never have to come back here, man.
Yeah.
Mostly say we come back here, come to the good work, same way.
Good.
You know, we never have to, but we know some
We
this
never
weird
must
rules.
come back.
Can't turn back. Because Mike never have to come back here.
Yeah.
Mike could have gone anywhere he want to go.
Anyway,
You know?
Nobody have the vision. Most of them don't have the vision.
No.
You hear me say to you?
True.
Most of them don't have the vision.
True. Alright then, lady. I'm saying I'm going to link you up, yeah?
Yeah, my
I'm
brother.
going to link you, man. I come over there.
Yeah, man.
I'm doing everything in my mind already, so I walk come over there. I walk come over there, man, and show them what I'm going. Yeah? Uncle Mike. Yeah, man. Yeah. Can I guess I come as well?
Yeah, man, no worry.
I bring the guests come show me, yeah? Alright.
Very much.
Yeah, man. There is
I've been watching you guys for 4 years. Kino!
Hey. No shake.
Kino!
Hey,
4 years, Kino.
4 years.
4 years been waiting to meet you.
Wow, so nice.
I love everything you do
Thank you so much.
because me and my sister,
Hello.
our second, this is my sister.
Come greet. She's filming. Yeah, nice to meet you too. Come on the road.
Kino,
Yes.
this is our Jamaican brother
Ah,
to another mother and
Yes.
another father.
okay. Yes, sir. The accent.
New Zealand,
New Zealand. Wow. Welcome.
Maori.
Where, Molly?
Maori.
Maori.
People. We're
Maori.
the indigenous people of New Zealand.
Okay.
And Bob Marley came to see us in 1979.
Yeah.
But we didn't see him, we were only,
A baby them
yeah,
time.
yeah. Well, not quite, yeah.
Wow.
When he walked on stage, the first thing he said, me come a long way.
A very long way.
Very long way.
It was a very long way, boy.
Yeah.
To New Zealand.
Yeah.
Wow, because I was stopped down there. I was like, I was speaking to some of the guys from the culture yard. So I'm telling them I'm a guest at coming. So I stopped at the hardware to get some goods and stuff. Hello. You must leave. Yeah. Whoa. You reached long time?
No. But this is our second time to Trenchtown
Second time.
because we love Bob.
Yes.
Our love for Bob brought us to Jamaica, right? And like when I messaged you the other week, unfortunately we can't meet Bob in the flesh.
Yes.
So you are the next best thing. Hello. Because what you and your dream team do
Yes.
is represent everything that Bob
Bob.
was about.
True.
Helping his people, giving back to his community. And that's what you and your team do.
Thank you so much.
And the thing that really stands out for me is all your team are from Trenchtown.
Yes.
So they're more or less in the same predicament as the people that they're helping.
Of course.
But they still give of their time to give back to their people.
Yes.
And that's what I love.
Yes.
That's what I love, Kina.
Sure.
Yeah.
You know, it's our pleasure, to be giving back, So it's good to give back because I always said this. If I was in the same position and I needed the help, I would want someone to come and give me back. Someone that was here and then left and then come back. Because that's the way of life, I always give back, Because in life, you have
Well, I
to
wish
look
everyone thought like that, Kina.
I
I
know.
wish everyone thought. Because a lot of famous people came out of Trenchtown. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
A lot of famous people came out of Trenchtown.
And they
So I wish they'd have the same thinking as you.
Sure.
If they had the same thinking as you, Trenchtown would be such a different
Paradise,
place.
man.
Yeah.
Paradise,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully the younger generation. Hi, Johnny. Johnny vibes. Don't he look like Johnny Depp? Have you seen that movie, Pirates of the
He's
Caribbean?
familiar. He's familiar. I've
He's-
seen him before.
Man,
But I can't picture
the
him.
movie.
The movie?
Yeah. Johnny Depp.
No, I'm not talking about Johnny Depp. I'm talking. I've seen him before
Yeah.
somewhere.
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 One dream team. It's Johnny there, man. Esther here.
Yeah.
You call her?
Yeah.
Call her.
Oh,
Yes,
and
Carl.
I like this lady. I like
Oh,
this lady.
Pat. Sure, yes, watch. Chinaman.
She saw Chinaman.
I saw Chinaman already.
I like plumbing.
Those photos are nice.
I like
Yeah, but I
plumbing,
should-
and I like how I see you.
Take it with your hand down.
Yeah.
Don't take a photo of you two.
Yeah. When you're ready. Show let me have a water now, please. Look who want go up a scanner. Prefect there. Me a water the Joe, please. Shiny man. Give me something a little bit chill them. Feel a little bit chillish. Perfect.
What do they think is wrong with the I don't know. Okay, not here.
You want that ice?
No, that's it.
Okay.
That's it. That's alright?
Yeah. Perfect. All is well. Oh, she's there. Oh, she's roaming.
Boom!
Boom.
Boom! How are you, Bump? Oh, that's good. You just finished work?
Yeah.
You and Rustin Jackson. Where's Rustin Jackson?
In Sucom.
Okay.
Soon. Well, go by now, the rain's coming down. We want to go up by Scanner.
Oh! We've got to see Scanner.
Yeah, we're going to go up there.
Oh,
Because we're going
yes.
to finish paint off his place.
Oh, good. Good.
So we're going to see everything.
He's one of my favourite stories, Keno.
Scanner, right?
From seeing how sick he was to look at him now.
No, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to finish paint today. You know, I'm putting it. Esther, where you at? Oh. Yeah, you have the paint, the things about the same here, how do you use, right? The paint, the brush and everything there. So I'll go and scan and finish paint. Hey!
Oh, this Jenna.
Jella! This?
I love you, Dream Team. I've been watching for 4 years. From New Zealand. All the way from New And this is Layla. Layla. Beautiful girl. Awesome to see.
Yeah. Alright, come. Come.
Dream Team
Whoa.
members.
Come.
Come on, Kevin.
Hold on. So Rasta Jack's around here.
Buster Jackson. Also just over here.
Who's that? Who's that?
Kia ora. Rustin Jackson.
Hey.
Nice to meet you, Rustin Jackson.
Yes,
Nice
Rasta.
to meet you.
You like that one, Rasta Jackson? He likes that one. You have to give her another hug, Rasta Jackson. Give her another hug.
Give another hug.
Yes, Rasta Jackson. Why?
I'm meeting you, Rustin Jackson. I'm choking.
Don't let her go, Rasta. Don't let her go, Jackson.
I can't.
Rasta, don't let her go.
Keno. You're making him blush.
Yeah, he's blushing, right? Oh, Jackson. Whoa. Hey.
Nice meeting you, Rustin Jackson.
Esther.
Nice meeting you.
Esther.
Esther. Seen Esther yet?
No.
Oh, Esther. Look how she's looking at it. Esther? Bummy.
Bumming ball?
Is it bumming ball?
Yeah. Bumming ball? Bumming ball. We're gonna go by Scanner now.
Oh, good. I wanted to see Skinner. He's my favorite.
Alright, then come then.
That's right.
Yeah. A natural chair. Perfect. Do you want more paintbrush? Yes? Oh, this is we don't have any more here? Upstairs?
Good man, water paint.
Are them too long?
The quality they're not good.
Yeah. Hello? Eh? Yeah, Tompa. Tompa.
I want to say hello to Tompa.
Alright. Yeah, man. Alright. Tompa. She know everyone. Right, Johnny Vibes? Johnny Vibes. This guy is over here, you know, we're gonna finish off Tompa, I'm calling Tompa Scanner place today, you know, finish off with the painting, and we can get his bed. I will give him a quick opening. Alright. Leila, beg a piece now. Alright, go and eat. Leila. Jella, where's the next grand? Oh, so you get a chance to leave her. Good show. Take your time, good show.
The scanner ready?
Yeah, it's coming out. Take out the scanner. We have somebody out here for you. Yeah.
And they moved the door?
Yeah, we moved the door. Come to the front here.
And actually seeing it live, Keno, look at the small space you guys had to
Very
work with.
smart. And that's the reason why we'd have to like change
You
the
moved
door.
it, yeah.
Because look at this.
Yeah.
This was the door. So imagine here.
Yeah.
You cannot put anything inside it.
Yeah.
And that's the exit right there. Look at the exit around there. Look at this.
And it's hard too because wow. And it's hard too because imagine
Yeah, imagine if you take out anything.
and you know that people can actually layer it right there. So
Oh my goodness, did he used to squeeze through there, Keno?
Yeah.
Oh no. It's not good. It's not good.
So we have to move it, you know. This is the walkway, Johnny. So close it is.
Yard back north, man.
Slim. See? Too slim, man. It's too slim. You see how the itch.
Yeah, I thought.
It's right there. It's so slim.
So this is where. Oh my goodness.
So we have to change the door and put it at the front. Yeah, we couldn't because you can see the walkway is not good for him. Hello, Rosa, 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 Rosa.
Sorry.
Rosa, Rosa, Rose.
Wasn't expecting anyone to come around.
Rosa, 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 Rose.
It's the main highway.
Rosa, Rosa, Rose. Rose. No. I would have, I cost bad word. Hello. I'm doing a video. Look, I'm turning it around. You want video?
I've missed you already.
Already? Oh no.
I want to cry.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
I feel like crying.
Cry, you know?
Don't tell me go on then.
Go on then. Hey D man. Hold on 1 sec. We do one video. Hold on 1 sec.
Alright, Kino. Later, it's raining. I just went to buy a charger. I told you I forgot my charger in Kingston.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just got one. I'm going back home now.
Alright then. See you later.
Later.
Alright.
Okay, alright.
Yeah. Scanner.
Yeah.
You mean
And keep it real, you know.
real?
Yeah.
All the way from New Zealand.
Oh my.
Oh my. Oh my.
Watched the store.
Yeah.
Watched for
I
4
like
years
the color.
now.
I like Jamaica color.
Thank you. He's my favourite story. I mean, a lot of good stories. You know, starting from Jin Jin,
Yeah, yeah.
and then Natasha in the public toilets. You know that was unreal.
Yeah, yeah.
But seeing Scanner lying on the bed when you first went to meet him, I didn't think he'd make it. He looked so sick, you know, very, very sick.
You have a picture of me?
Oh, I have a picture.
Yeah.
I got a video. I know I can take. Oh no, I think he's saying, have you got him? Go. We're gonna have a picture with you.
Remarkable, you know?
Remarkable. And you know what's more remarkable? Is the roots medicine from
Snagglepuss. Yes.
Scanner.
Yeah. More like one love.
And the next guy, Philip, is in there.
Yes, his friend. Are you sure you don't want me to help you? I want to help.
You want to help?
Yes.
Okay, if you want to help, we
I
should
want
help.
to help. We wanted to come and help. I
Okay.
day and I would have worn overalls.
Okay, we can help.
Yeah, we want to
We're going
help.
to paint as well, they can help.
Yes.
See, she want. Not. There we have food just as well to answer you. Yeah, we got to put some color in our one for the outside. We run a scanner. Then we run as well. So come in.
I own a housing company in New Zealand. So
Oh, you own a housing company?
we used to do work like this in New Zealand.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
But that's a small space.
Call natural for me asking if him have the color or if you have the color for the outside, to mix it for the outside. Everybody the same one inside, right? The same one inside. And the next one we're gonna mix it for the outside.
Yeah, what do you want?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Pull everything out.
Yeah, we're taking everything out back. Yeah. Can I even mention so we could have put a little color in that. We could have rub it on the wall outside. We don't have any gloves. You don't want any gloves? No gloves? No gloves.
Yeah, I'm gonna say, did have the paint where I mentioned in but it can make.
The color.
Tomorrow. Alright, come back.
This is how it is, you know, when the whole family come together. Take your time, mind your back, you know, mind your trainer back. Hold on. Hold on.
Here you go, it's done.
Yes, that is granite sand. That is heavy,
Yeah, that's heavy.
very heavy.
Well, I'm from the country. We're tough.
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 Okay. So now we know. Now, alright, let the bed come out. So we have to get him out bed as well. This side is coming out. You should have gone that way. So imagine this space, it's still difficult to come out. So imagine if it was around there.
Yeah, we are able to come out. So that's why you guys had to change the door from that side here. Yeah, because you couldn't come out this corner with it.
Yeah? A bulb. Huh?
You could not come out this corner with it.
Imagine with that, it will come out. It's been problem. Yeah. I go on one ball. So we're going to put in the linoleum on the floor as well. So we'll take out the mattress.
So now the linoleum already?
Yeah. Where linoleum there? Oh, there. Sorry. Just put back on the chair.
Up there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Watch your step, yes.
No,
Up there.
Yeah.
I don't want those. What's on top?
On top of the fridge.
No, just pull on it so it'll give support. Come on.
No, let me take it.
On the fridge. Yeah. Go. Yeah, that's it.
Take off the sheet.
Yeah, make sure that doesn't fall. Might be the cleanest.
Hold it, guys. Let me hold it. Take it down.
Hey, might get new mattress anyway. New bed.
I thought he doesn't.
Come, on the tree. On the tree. Yeah, on the tree.
Oh yeah, right in between this one.
Oh, what a good idea.
Let me get still.
Yes. Go on. That's the hammock. See you next guy
You
then.
can sleep up there tonight. Oh.
Philip.
It's Philip.
Yeah. Kind of party.
Let me say no. Joe.
Oh, one bulb. Liquor. Come buy one bulb. How sell the bulb?
Give me the buy. Can I go feel it at the same time?
Yeah, go on. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to buy.
You guys look after each other. Oh,
Yes, kind of friend.
It's good. It's good, Philip.
So this is what it looks like. Oh. Julia, go paint them one here too.
Yeah, man. Go away.
He needs a light, Keelan.
Huh?
A light.
A light. Oh, the light is here. We're going to fix it. They can go put up on the wall.
But does it work if you turn it on?
Yeah. We're going to use the receptacles.
Oh.
They're gonna buy, someone's going to buy a bulb. What we have to do is get a receptacle and put it on the wall instead of this. So we'll use a receptacle.
No, I'm just thinking so he can see. He can see what he's painting.
Oh yeah, they're going to buy the bulb.
Yeah. Oh. Is there another paintbrush?
Only a brush? Where's the bag?
On the wall.
On the wall.
In here, I'm going to buy something.
Him so come. Oh, here's the brush?
My floor on the paint press on the wall, make sure it's clear.
Oh. Unless you want, you can go and rub it. No, because it's a different color outside. Wait the next color to mix it.
Well, Skinny is a brand new house.
I'm telling you. Scanner with a new look. New look for Scanner. Scanner, certain of them things, it doesn't make sense to go back into the house. So what you don't want, you just make them know from now. Right? Because tomorrow I want to get the bed, put in the new bed, isn't it? So run some peel out of some, clear it off. So you have to just pick out what you don't want. Enough of this stuff are just rubbish. You know why I like store things. I saw them like say,
I will get rid of what we get rid of.
Yes, sir.
Right? I will just listen, you know, because you make things possible, you know. I'm going to just humble and listen.
Yes, more fresher look.
Things are possible.
Yes, it's a more fresher look. Yes, so it's kind of, since we have some donation here, you know, because we also want to get the bed, we want to get the TV, or by the aluminum, or by the paint. You understand? So hopefully, tomorrow we can put it in. That's the aim, right? So tomorrow now, we want to get a bed and put a TV on the wall. And get rid of big back there.
Yeah. I'll give up my friend.
You give it to a friend. So you don't say, me I say you don't want no bed. But you can't be like that.
Want it now.
You have to go on the bed, right? I just
and that is real.
And you see the condition of the bed, right? Yeah. So you cannot keep that bed. Then so I have some donation for you. So I make Natisha count it for you. It's because they cannot hold for counting. And tell the person thanks, right?
I mean, you can't hold on to count it.
Alright, so first we have 16,005 here for you from Ava from the USA. So not to just count that. 16,005 from Ava.
Ava, thanks.
16,005 from Ava from the USA.
Ava, all the best and thanks. And that is real.
I will also have see this name. We have Empress. We have an Empress here. Empress Sandra. So we have Empress Sandra from New York, from Brooklyn, New York. $14,000. From Empress Sandra from Brooklyn, New York.
13, 14.
Empress Sandra.
Empress Sandra, thank you very much. And all the best. And keep it real.
Well real. And we also have Wayne as well from, oh, it was Wayne. That was the person name for Talpi. It was Wayne from Maryland. $14,000 a year for you. From Wayne from Maryland. That was the name. So hold on. Yes guys, so the name for the Talpi donation was Wayne from Maryland. Yes, so that is it. 14,000.
Wayne. Thank you very much. And all the best.
Okay, so we have a new donor as well. To this new donor, you know, we thank him so much. Him don't want no name to be called. Him said a subscriber from England, right? And this was him for saying he want to purchase a bed for you. So he just want to know as a subscriber from England. And we have 30.
No name.
No name, just a subscriber.
No name.
So he's a subscriber.
Yeah.
So you can say subscriber from England.
Subscriber from England, all the best.
All the best.
And keep it real.
Keep it real. Yeah. And this is $30,000 a year. Subscriber from England, we thank you so much.
Subscriber from England. All the best. $30,000, and that is from a subscriber from England. No name. No name to be calling. Thank you very much. No name.
Yes, because I'm saying not doing it for the name or anything, you know. So
nah, left no check out there. Nah, left no check.
So everyone is open for the best for your scanner, and we are open for the best. And I want to thank all the donation, you know, from our extended family that we received for you, you know, because
and that is thanks.
Yeah. Because that's a great blessing.
And that is truly. And that is real.
Real.
Yeah, that's a big deal. Yeah.
So how you feel now? You get a different look from how it was.
How I feel right now? How I know? I just know so much extra happy, tell me nervous.
Hey.
Extreme happy, man.
Till nervous.
Yeah.
And don't get excited too much, you know. Scam.
Yeah. So tomorrow we're gonna move you in.
Yeah.
Right? So you know, tomorrow you know you have to get up early, put on a nice clothes, put on nice pants. You get so much clothes already.
I want to make my ex-friend come give me a wash off tomorrow.
Oh, litter?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm my next mother. That. Yeah.
So you have to come out early tomorrow, right? And come start that out. And you must say when you come, I just come put the linen on and everything. I set up even for you for tomorrow to sleep well comfortable for your new bed.
And sleep like a 6-month-old kid.
Yes. So you hold me wake. Yeah, man. So we give thanks to the family. You know, thank you.
Crew and all about and all over.
Yeah.
Excess amount of thanks to the max.
That is it.
And don't worry, everything correct.
Yeah. Everything correct. We're thanking you so much for supporting Stan and his movement. You know, we're looking forward to putting him in tomorrow. Right, Scanner? Big up yourself.
And I show the people themselves not gonna worry about nothing because the donors are there for this man. And this man don't keep worry yourself and worry your nerves about nothing. And don't get your next strokes now, you know. Take it easy.
No more stroke. No more stroke. Right, what we get? One? One stroke to get, right?
One on piece.
One on piece. So you get 1.5 strokes.
Yeah, 1.5.
Okay. No more, right?
Not a bit more.
Not a bit more. So right now we want to leave and give thanks. Alright then, so we give thanks.
Getting a fresh coat of paint.
Prefix and receptacle.
Sure do. Did you like your teacher? Your teacher wasn't grumpy? Right? You didn't have a grumpy teacher?
Somebody live next door.
Huh?
Somebody live next door.
Yeah. And these are some kitchen houses. These are the kitchen for the yards. Where everyone can come and cook. This was the kitchen where everyone live and is black. Come and use it. So they utilize the space.
Yeah.
You know, more people over the years in Trenchtown, more kids born, more kids grow up, so there was no more rooms or space.
Yeah.
So they utilized these kitchen. These was the public kitchen for who live in this yard.
Yeah.
So they turned this into a room.
So where's the toilet facilities?
So like a sink. Right there, so like a sink.
This was, yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, this is what the public one as well for who live in the yard, these types.
Oh, there.
Yeah, like these ones.
Oh,
yeah.
Yep.
So I guess this is only the one that lose. So the rest of them, the person who lives here, they just take it. So people always capture.
So this is for everyone that lives here. This one can't be just Scanner and Phillips.
Yeah, I don't know. Was it Scanner? I think it's Scanner and Phillips. I don't know which one Scanner use. Because
is it his own private bathroom?
No one got any private unless they capture it from earlier.
Oh.
If they never capture it, someone else capture it, you know.
Yeah.
And it's gone. Can't know which one. Scanner, which bathroom you use? Right here, sir. Okay, so that's the one there.
Now, has it got a window?
No window.
Oh, you need to make him a window.
No window. Because it's not him alone, you know.
No. Oh, well, it'll be dark when they go in there.
This is how they built it from way back in the days.
Yeah.
You know, this is how it was here in Trenchtown. It's not pretty.
Yeah, similar to how Natisha's place was. But it was a public toilets.
Yeah. Same. So people just capture it. Same within this house, it was a kitchen as well where Philip lived.
Yeah. Oh, there was a kitchen too.
There's a kitchen. So.
Bathroom, 2 toilets. And the block are 8 hours on the block.
It's good to know.
Everybody build them personal bathrooms. Most.
Like, where would you have the space to build your own personal bathroom?
Yeah, it's outside.
I suppose in areas that have got more space.
No, this is not the house, you know.
Yeah.
So that they use the back part to build. They have a back. The back space is big and the front space. So they build at the back and at the front. And use the kitchen now as room, bedroom.
Now, Keno, how's that old guy? I can't remember his name. and I think it was her brother, was it Peter, was looking after this old guy. I don't know, might have been year 1 or year 2.
My brother, no, he's not my brother.
Oh, it was Peter, was his name Peter?
My brother named Peter, but he was looking after me.
Oh, I don't know if it was your brother. It wasn't until later.
You sell a receptacle? Alright, bring one. You know, sell switch.
The old man. He looked after the old man.
Yeah, man, for the light. Alright, bring it. Yeah, bring it on the light.
Look after the old guy.
After the old guy.
The old guy.
My name Peter, look after our old guy.
Oh, a Peter over there, so. Over Rima side. Yeah, the next man.
Not Sula.
Not Stool, it was, what's his name again?
Peter, look after the black man.
Yeah.
Is he still alive?
No, he died.
He died. He died. So that's Tulu, the next man. The next man. Look.
Oh.
Even.
In the t-shirt. Nice meeting you.
And you are?
I'm Law from New Zealand.
Moon.
And where's Anne?
And?
Anne! Remember what I told you about? I hope she doesn't mind when I talk about the public toilets, because I'm trying to explain what her situation was when you guys skipped into the house.
Yeah, it's alright.
And she's the one that was living in the public toilets with her 3 kids. And you should see her place now. It's a mansion.
Buckingham Palace.
It's a mansion. Yeah.
It's a Buckingham Palace.
Yeah. And so now you're part of the team. She's part of the team giving back. Giving back. Yeah.
She's giving back now, you know? That's how it is. You know?
Now what is young Kino's real name? Your boy. What is it?
Omari.
Omari. Oh. Because Kino likes giving nicknames. But he did look like young Kino.
Yeah.
He did look like a young. Yeah.
No, it becomes old Kino.
Old Kino.
Yeah, he's not young anymore, he's old. He's old.
He's a big boy.
Oh, so we got the paint here, right? Oh, for the outside. They got to mix the color.
Now what about your big boy? Because he was with Sam, learning how
Yeah, mix paint.
to your big
We're
boy.
going to mix the paint and show it like this. Come on, whoa, come with me. What do I want? Esther.
You tear apart, I want to tear off, you know.
I tear off, I think.
Shake it up. What do I want then?
Are the garden in it? Oh, that's our burgundy. Terracotta.
Oh, and this here was white.
Right now we're going to improvise.
Oh, terracotta with gardenia.
What's this?
Terracotta name.
Terracotta.
Yeah.
It's like red, right?
Burgundy.
Burgundy. So right now we're going to create a color. So can you guess what color we're going to get after we show in the gardenia? You see the gardenia here?
Pink. A shade of pink.
It's a shade of pink?
Yeah.
It's just a shade of pink. Where is it, Jackson?
No, get the pink. That now I'm going to get the pink.
Where is it, Jackson? What we're going to get?
I get the cream.
Cream? Ice cream again?
No, that is a farmer cream.
This is a farmer. Ice cream vanilla, this right now.
I get a pink color.
More? Is it more?
Pink.
What's the name of it? More?
Law.
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 Law?
Law.
Like law.
Like law. L-A-W.
Law.
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 That's not how you spell it. But that's how you say it.
Oh, law.
Law. Yeah.
Oh, law as in law.
Law.
No, law.
No, to say L-A-W.
L-A-W. Law.
Yeah, law. Yeah, but how she pronounce
pronounce it. Law.
Yeah.
Law.
Our pronunciation is different.
Is it for the outside?
Yeah. Creating a unique color.
in case you have pink color you get.
What you say, pink?
A shade of pink. It can be rose pink or something.
Yeah. See?
Strawberry.
Yeah, pink.
Who drinks strawberry
Some
juice?
people tell me it's a pink.
She said pink.
Yeah, I said it.
She
I
did
said
say.
shade of pink. Yeah.
She said a shade of pink.
Well, then tell me that.
No, but mix paint, you know, it's a paint mixer that more you do.
You didn't know.
Oh. Mixed salad juice.
A shade of pink will give some more.
One a water, one a flat and one a sheen. No sheen. This is for it. Makes a shower.
This one some ice. I will drink it right now. Strawberry juice.
Strawberry, yeah, shower. Strawberry vanilla.
Yeah.
So what a quick jello. You don't drink it now. 3 shots.
See one of the first cup.
Ever drink this?
Get some ice.
I get some ice. But I blend the ice with the kino.
I'm telling you right now, nice, nice shake.
Kino loves smoothies.
Smoothie. Whoa, chef, smoothie. Smoothie is here.
Go for the strand, cup them now.
And the ice.
Nice. Right?
Dusty pin.
So where are those? From this to this.
Half an hour.
Right there, so right? Oh, we're on a more roller. But we never have a a set of paint pan. Huh?
No, they roll it on first and then paint.
Yeah.
They roll it on first and then roll it
So we never set a an next pan. You go for boom?
Yeah.
Boom. Yeah, the pan and brush.
The pan and brush.
Yeah.
You know the roller.
Alright, go on and come.
I'll get my brother.
We have more sleeves, right, Esther? Have more sleeves. Alright, then go and fit and come then. How none more they where you put it on the roller stand.
What do you do with that? I don't know. That's what it looks like.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
That is that now.
Strawberry pink. Yeah.
With some ice, law. Do I get the name right? Law. Law. Lela, me paint you up in the Lela. Lela, I'll paint you up in the Lela. Paint you up. Law.
No, look at him side, man.
Right. Woo! Bro, one scan face looking nice.
That big thing going down the last night then, man.
I'll take you some.
Not playing clothes and man coming and drinking and you. Left until the dance. Oh, what?
Brother police, yeah, man. Ted. Car place.
Go and car place.
Lives up to the rest of them life, you know, when gas station fix now.
Yes, guys, as you can see right now we're here trying to finish off scanner place. So we're doing the painting, you know, so after we finish all of this, we can buy him a bed, and see. And hopefully, we'll see how far the money can stretch where we can also get him a TV as well, because that would have been nice to also get him a TV also, so it's a good best thing here for him for scanner. As you can see, we're here. Place look a bit bleak here, it was raining before, it was raining before, so at least the rain is stopped. So guys, I'm gonna say the journey gonna always continue, and as you can see, so after we finish scanner, then we're gonna, it's a wow chef time is next. So as we were saying about the wow chef and moving forward in anything that we're doing, because as I said, we always appreciate whenever, but we see with natural as a man is very busy, so true natural is a very busy man, so whenever he's not available, we want to try and see if we can hire another builder, where he can come and put in a work as well, but basically we'd have to pay him, for the days. Hey, calm down with the bottle now, please. Yeah, so we have to pay him for the day, so any day is 1 day or 2 days, any day is working for, we just pay him for that, so we're asking, for the support whenever we're going to start on the wow chef. If natural cannot be there, we want to get someone who can pay to come work for the day, because if they don't want to volunteer, then we have to pay someone to come and do it, because we don't want it to be dragging out, because the builder them have to do what they have to do, so we have to always give thanks and appreciate, because everyone do volunteer. So this is a volunteer charity where everyone volunteer their time, so moving forward, we're asking for the support same way, if we're going to get a builder to come in and help us so we can paint it and pay him for work for the days that he's going to be working for, that can speed up the work more quicker, so we can get the job done more than have to take so long, because of the builders then are going to be busy on their duty. So guys, stay tuned. Remember, give the video a like, give it a thumbs up, and remember, please support the program, support the people that's really in need of it, so moving forward, that's what we've been asking for, the support to help to pay another builder, whenever natural is not there to give us strength, so we thank you so much, each and every time, we thank you so much each and every time for supporting Kenya Life in Jamaica, it means the world, as you can see where it's going, so blessed love to all, blessed love to all. Younger Dennis.
I'm going Keno.
You get baby?
I'm a grand.
A grand, alright, so you're not younger anymore, you're older Dennis.
Young same way.
Stop calling her Elder Denise.
She got
She's
grandchild.
younger Denise.
What, law?
I'm a grand.
She's got grandchild now.
Oh, she's delicious.
Hey,
She's
food.
delicious.
It's him.
It's a he. He's delicious.
Yeah.
Give it to me. Oh,
She's gonna eat him.
Aiden.
Eat him, law.
Eat him.
Yes.
I put you in my bag and I take you home for me.
Yes. Law is gonna eat him, Dennis. Eat the grandchild for breakfast.
I tell you. For me, I cry, not true.
How does it feel to be a grandma?
You know. You ever come with something, I tell you.
Tell me.
Sure. Sure.
Like since you're there before a lot of us, how does it feel to be a grandma? Since you were younger than is now you are older
still
than
young, look. Still young same way. I'm still name Elder. Can I say name Elder before I turn grand,
Yes, no, but you were younger than he is.
Young.
But no, you're
elder
Then
during the week.
Okay.
On Wednesday, I'm younger than you.
How does it feel to be a grandma?
Anyway, man, because I'm a friend them. But I'm a family them. Company side.
But you still not tell us how does it feel to be a grandma?
I see him here.
Same way.
See him where kind of like see him like how they might have them.
Okay.
And the same thing.
So, so it not feel like you're moving slower, you're talking slower, you're walking slower.
Same way. Nothing do not change.
I said nothing not change.
Nothing not change at all.
Boom, wait again.
Same way.
Okay.
No, I'm not feel slow, I'm not feel fast.
Yeah.
Same
I
way.
feel overweight.
No, no yet. Same way.
Same way.
Same natural.
Natural.
Same way.
Oh, just,
big up my friend, my big friend, no. My family.
Yes, big
up.
up.
Big up Sylvia, Robert, Ian, Gigi. Gigi say baby here. Yes, sir. Yeah. I know. Where's me a big up? Whoever trouble me again.
Patrick,
one new
big
one.
up Patrick.
Patrick. We forgot about all Patrick.
Oh,
I try my troublemaker for Wednesday. I troublemaker that for Wednesday in a keynote. Patrick. If I trouble baby. And fire. Yeah. I feel them troublemaker that.
Wow.
Baby and fire troublemaker Patrick. Right? That's right.
It.
Oh, and 5-0. 5-0. Every Wednesday I'm there. 150, one polar boss. No other polar boss. Any other polar boss a fraud. A fraud. GG, big up yourself.
That is
yeah, Olivia. Big up yourself. And why you touch up with me now, we not keen up on you something up and chat, you know. My name Nash 077.
Oh.
I don't, yeah, so.
I don't know, boy. I don't know.
Yeah, alright. It's like how I keen every time I big up Patrick. Patrick don't feel no way now. Don't feel no. I must try a troublemaker, me a troublemaker, I can't remember them one another, you know.
So trouble cannot remember trouble, right?
Yeah,
so
trouble
people never remember when them give themselves trouble. Alright then, so okay then, okay Law.
She's elder.
Alright Law.
She get turned grandmother, she's an elder.
Alright, so alright, see that now the outside is going in. Jenna run for the wit. Jenna. That is it, Jenna. Yeah man, we like the color, it come out nice.
Sorry, Layla.
Yeah, stay out the paint, stay around here. Yeah, right around here, out the paint. You want two? Give him two little. Give him two. Him go on there.
This now work.
That work, we make it work. Law? Oh, where's your friend?
She round there, so it's Canada.
Oh, she's chilling.
Yeah.
Or her sister, oh sorry, your sister. Law, the painting start. Look like it's gonna rain again.
It's a false, and we don't want to wash it.
Where's the other paper? Oh, Kevin.
Yeah, another paintbrush. No, if you come that side, then Natish.
Natish, I better be.
From here, so. Yes, from the half, yeah. Go through, uncle. Get one, something put it in there. We have to kind of move this then that. Something inside of it?
Water, scanner bucket. Yeah, water back.
Don't throw everything. No, don't throw it. Everything gone already.
You want water in it?
Yeah, because I could have put some. Alright.
Yeah.
Show some of the paint on this.
Nike.
This
one look like my one. Nike. Here like my one.
Throw it back in there.
I mix it up.
For the stick, pass back the stick.
One paper down there.
No, me I gotta use one.
Tall Pete.
Tall P. Oh yeah, it's on the side.
What about Lloyd Park?
Yeah, Light Parks. I was calling him, but I don't get him.
Remember when we did?
What?
Yeah. What? What?
I'll show you something.
You're going to show me how to paint? Oh, you know how to paint, Kevin? Kevin, this is not my first rodeo. I've actually painted before, you know.
Okay.
Actually, when I go home, that's what I'm supposed to be doing is painting.
Mm-hmm.
Not
Oh, you don't need the top done too.
For here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, start the flickers them now. They're on the fire already.
Now, Kevin said, hey, Mikey, come I don't feel as bad doing those drops.
Oh yeah, Jella. Jella do a lot of drops. Raindrops.
Wait, Kevin, what's your words of advice?
Just tip, barely tip the brush.
There,
in.
like
No,
Like
just, no man. Brush in like this. And then you dry it off.
Oh, yeah.
And then you use it.
Yeah, but you know, Kevin,
Yeah.
I'm doing a very good job.
You're doing a very good job. I'm going to stay far from you. As far as I possibly can. Like over here.
How would I paint that from? How do I? Oh, the bug. Alright, Rasta.
Rasta from RMR.
Oops. Oops, low.
Look.
Well, I can't give him a very good hug because I'm...
Yeah, man,
How you...
Yay!
Oh, I hope I didn't get paint on you.
Yeah, man, get a look of paint, man.
Where is the look? Oh, no.
It's alright,
Can you
man.
wipe it off, Kevin?
It's alright, Lloyd.
No, man, so, man, Alex, wash up that, man.
Wash off.
No, you can't. No, because I haven't finished over there.
Yeah.
No, you wash it off him.
No, it's good, man. It's okay.
You can't wash off. I wait.
Sorry.
It's alright, Lloyd.
Sorry, Lloyd
Yep.
Park.
That's alright, yeah, I'll get you right.
Oh, you missed it. Is there a sister Light Parks?
Light box.
Yeah.
So you're obviously the electrician. No, he's not. He's not.
No,
I thought.
electrician is kid on.
No, I knew Kidden. I knew he was the electrician, but I thought you
She
must
eat the
have been an
parks.
electrician
You feel
too,
like it's an electrician.
because he called you.
Like the parks. Like
But
parks.
nice meeting you.
Same to you.
Nice
One more.
meeting all the dream team
One dream
and all
team.
the good work you guys do
Yeah.
for your people.
Thank you.
But I can see you guys also need help too.
Yes. That is it. Teresa, come reach up by Tata, so.
I didn't do this half, I did that half.
I know.
The streak-free half. Well, I can't reach up there.
Yeah. Teresa is going to reach up there.
Oh,
She's taller.
It's looking nice. I ran out of paint to do the bottom.
Color turn out really nice.
I've
give Scanner a better look.
with Scanner in them.
Yeah, I know. The color really turned out really nice.
Don't know them. Don't know.
Eh? Oh. Where does it, Joe?
Don't touch it, Sam.
Sam, leave the wall, leave the wall.
You've been doing good at school, eh? You've been doing good work at school. What was that thing that you said he was at school now? He was the monitor.
Student council.
What a good boy. And what a handsome boy.
Hey, I saw Scanner hot. Him hot. Him hot. The Scanner where say, man should get beat up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not it. Take him out of your phone.
I people are crazy about me for this, you know.
You look at them more crazy.
Yeah.
Like the color?
Yeah, oh my, it's brilliant, man, brilliant.
Wow.
Well.
You look.
Right to the telephone first.
Yeah.
Same scan.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
mix it.
I get that color.
Yeah. God, you know, with the red.
Gym team have all pan, you know, man.
Yeah, man, we're gonna put that.
Gym team have all pan, man.
We have the
Gym
play.
team. And couple of donors, the name can go on it too. I'm not afraid of them.
I thought too much name of go.
Right, people them.
Dream team and the extended.
Yeah.
Yeah, people them mean of the extended.
Yeah. We have some what other some things and we when you again the thing you again no we can put yourself done by Dream Team. Clock. You see that right? You have it. So tomorrow we're gonna put it up. So tomorrow we're just buying in bed. Yeah, you can screw it on. Yeah.
It's a little metal thing.
Yeah, it's a metal. Yeah, screw it right on.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
So we're gonna get some more we can put on the house that we do already.
Yeah.
Seal it.
Kind of brand it and see
Yeah.
so. Yeah, when people see it, them say.
A Dream Team work.
Yeah. Yeah, doing it.
Dream Team work.
After you. You're growing up. You're growing up out of my side.
Label it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Growing up you.
Branding.
I never know what they get so big enough. Yeah.
Very nice.
There's a light box.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.